There's Tony checking out the birds. There's Lefty checking out Tony checking out the birds. What do you think, Lefty? What do you think, buddy? Huh? Pretty cool, huh? That's cool. Tony in nature. Tony in nature.
I can't find it. I hear it up there. It's some kind of male bird doing a mating call. And I learned the other day that the more syllables or the more different musical phrases the bird puts in its song, it's stronger and more dominant the male is, and therefore attracts the better females. Therefore, the stronger survives, because it proves it, because he's stronger, because he's got stronger lungs, and he can do it longer, he can sing for longer, so that means that he's got longer stamina, and he's a better male, He's been going on for like 10 minutes now, and I haven't hardly heard him repeat the same phrase once, so it's obviously he's intelligent, because he knows all these different phrases.
He's attracted you.
Well, yeah, because he's obviously a fine specimen of whatever kind of bird he is, but I can't figure out what kind of bird he is, because I don't know birds by their song. But I haven't seen him yet. If I could see him, maybe I could identify him. But I keep looking, he sounds like he's right in front of me, but I can't see him.
Well, thanks, Tony. Thanks for that little tour of nature.
Well, maybe we can find him. I can't find him. Who do he look like?
And Tony goes
Still up
on.
there. He hasn't stopped. That means he's really strong. He can keep going.
And Tony found the bird.